Hi bashers! So, ang problema mo ngayon is gusto mo na ngayon dagdagan yung clients mo, gusto mo na ngayon na dumami pa yung clients mo, pero ang problema mo is puno na yung capacity mo. Dito papasok yung tanong na, imposible ba talaga? The way to easily do it without actually hiring people full-time is to apply the contractor's mindset. Ano ba yung contractor's mindset? Contractor's mindset is simply this: getting the project and then looking for people who can actually deliver the work and then letting them do it all themselves. Bigyan kita ng example. Itong bahay na to, ginagawa siya ngayon. Meron ditong mason, meron ditong karpentero, merong electrician, may laborer pa. Pero sino ba talaga ang nakakuha ng project? Yung contractor. Okay? Nakuha ng contractor yung project. Ang cost ng project is, let's say, 100,000 pesos. Nakuha niya yung mga taong gagawa ng trabaho at 20%, 30% of the cost, diba? And kumita pa siya. Si contractor, chill-chill lang. He just has to make sure that everything is going to be delivered on time. Nakapag-hire pa siya ng mga experts. Yung mga experts naman na hinire niya, dihado ba sila? I don't think so. Bakit? Kasi hindi na nila kailangan na maghanap pa ng clients. Ikaw na mismo nagdala sa kanila nung trabaho. And that is how you apply the contractor's mindset. Yun lang. Bye, bashers!